Hi, this is Marcia. Today we're talking about KidsThinkWide as an AI tool and resource for our gifted and talented students. Hi, everybody. Thank you so much for joining. Today we are going to be going into our part 3 of our series talking about AI tools for gifted students. This is a great way to help our teachers with differentiated instruction for all learners. Today we're talking about Kids Think Wide. I love KidsThinkWide because it's a free resource. And what I love about this for our gifted and talented students is that it has these challenge adventures. And you can see I'm going to go ahead and click right on my screen going into these adventures. And it has great discussion questions. It can be done as a team or an individual, and it extends their thinking. So what you're going to see here is it gives you the outline, the basic overview of what's going to happen in each one of the adventures, which is great. So you know exactly what's going to happen. Now, I kind of think about this as when I was a kid and we did Where in the World is Carmen Sandiego? It's kind of the same thing. You get choice. You can either be fire, air, or water. And then you have to go through as one of those elements with your team or individual, and you can go through and you're going to have to solve and think through the different problems. This is a phenomenal free resource to get our students thinking outside the box and applying the skills that they are learning inside the classroom. So here's a picture prompt that I did if I were going to be doing air. If I picked the air element, I'd have to go through and look at and answer all those questions and come up with a product to help me to answer and to come up with solutions for air. This would be a great extension activity or a supplement to any type of science, reading, social studies activity that you are implementing into your classroom. Kids Think Wide, a great resource, especially for the adventures for our gifted and talented students.